Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold mirrors on a Honda CR-V. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Just to be clear, this is a 2017 Honda CR-V, but most CR-Vs use the same type of mirror technology. So take a look at your mirror, and if it looks similar to this, and if it feels similar to this, then obviously it should likely work in the same way. This is also the driver's side mirror, but the same thing follows with the passenger side mirror. Okay, so before you do this, I want you to sort of push on the mirror and see if there's any give, and look for a hinge over here, because that's going to allow you to know if your mirror can fold. If you are in an older CR-V, your mirrors might not be able to fold, so don't just go pushing them or pulling them. Look for the hinge and sort of give them a wiggle to see if they are meant to be folded. Now with that being said, this is how you fold them in. So here's a mirror. If you want to fold it in, okay, you take the mirror, you can grip the mirror, and you just push towards the window, just like this, just like that. So that's how you fold it in, just like that, okay? And that allows you to have a more sleek design, and obviously this is used, you know, if you're parking your car, if your car's parked and you want to give it a more slim profile, then you can do something like this. Maybe if you're bringing it into a garage and you want to lessen the likelihood that you're going to scratch your mirrors, you can do this. But obviously it's not recommended for driving. It's recommended when you are pretty much parked for the most part, okay? And if you want to unfold it, you can just bring it back just like that, okay? That's basically it. That's how to fold the mirrors on a Honda CR-V. You fold it in like that, and then you can't see through the mirror when you do that, then you bring it back out just like that. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.